Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Here you see the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. Let the number of boys and girls let the number of boys 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 be 7x and number of girls and number of girls and number of girls be 5x. Here the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Therefore we can say according to the given question, according that is number it is given that number of boys number of boys number of boys is equal to number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Number of girls number of girls plus 8. Therefore number of boys is 7x and number of girls is 5x plus 8. 5x plus 8. Right? On transposing we get 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. That is on transposing 5x to left hand side. So we are getting 7x minus 5x, that is 2x. X is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8. Now dividing both sides by 2 we get dividing both sides by 2 dividing both sides by 2 we get 2x by 2 is x is equal to 80 by 2, that is equal to 4. The value of x we got 4. Therefore number of boys is equal to number of boys is equal to 7x that is equal to 7 into 4. 4 7 are 28, right? And number of girls number of girls is equal to 5x that is equal to 5 into 4. 5 4 are 20, right? Therefore the total, hence what is the total? Class is 10. Therefore the total class strength class strength, total class strength is equal to 28 plus 20, and that is equal to 48, and that was the answer. Hence the total class strength was 48. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.